The household fridge may seem an unlikely place for cutting-edge technology, but Telstra has combined taste with technology, developing an internet fridge.
Magnets, old phone bills and stickers on the fridge may be a thing of the past, thanks to a new internet development. Telstra has developed a system that enables messages to be sent to the most visible of household appliances, the fridge.
Internet fridge is a new appliance that brings convergence together. It's bringing the internet and computing together in one appliance.
The prototype fridge, built in conjunction with email appliances, is the first in a range of multi-use, advanced technology appliances.
The fridge is hooked into the internet and also into the home automation system. And via the fridge you can scan in your shopping, you can read that shopping list off your mobile phone, and on the mobile phone you can send messages to the screen of the fridge.
Adapting new technology to the busy, practical, modern lifestyle.
It is a first, but I think you'll find that it will be very quickly followed by a whole range of highly intelligent devices, appliances that can be networked together in a way that they can communicate with an individual.
Chris Kimball, Win News.